Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what might just be the best sound amplifier for spying and birdwatching enthusiasts, the Podoy bird observing listening recording device. This compact electronic gadget is designed to amplify and record sounds from a long distance, offering users a unique way to experience nature's subtle audio details or monitor environments discreetly. The Podoy device combines a sophisticated 8-power roof prism optical system with an electronic sound amplifier, allowing for a visible and audible range up to 300 feet. This means you can clearly observe distant birds or natural sounds while listening closely with the included headphones. The optical system enhances your viewing experience by bringing faraway subjects into sharp focus, while the digital sound amplifier picks up even faint noises, giving you a closer connection to your surroundings. Powering the device is a single 9V alkaline battery, making it portable and easy to use without relying on complicated setups or external power sources. It is important to avoid using it near heavy electrical appliances to minimize interference and enjoy clear sound quality. The headphones that come with the device feature an adjustable length from 160 to 200 mm, designed to fit comfortably and provide a personalized listening experience. One of the standout features of this device is its digital recording capability. Activating the recording function is simple. Just press the record button, and a red LED light confirms that recording is underway. Each recorded segment lasts 12 seconds, capturing crisp, clear audio without needing a SIM card or SD card. The recordings are saved in WAV format, ensuring high-quality playback that is easy to transfer to your computer or other devices for analysis or sharing. Designed with users aged 5 and above in mind, the Podoy bird observing listening recording device is a fantastic tool for families and nature explorers. Adult supervision is recommended for younger users, making it both educational and entertaining. It's a great companion for outdoor adventures, helping children and adults alike to engage with wildlife and the environment in a more immersive way. The package comes complete with the main recording device, a pair of headphones, and an instruction manual, making it ready to use right out of the box. Its lightweight design, at just 1.5 pounds, makes it easy to carry along on hikes, birdwatching trips, or wherever your curiosity leads. While it excels in amplifying natural sounds for birdwatching, its potential extends to anyone needing a reliable and easy-to-use sound amplifier and recorder for various applications. Whether you're a hobbyist spying on distant sounds or a nature lover eager to capture hidden audio moments, this device offers a combination of optical clarity and digital sound technology at an accessible price point. If you want to experience the sounds of nature like never before or need a discreet device for listening from a distance, the Podoy bird observing listening recording device is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and honest assessments of the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching.